Solving an equation in context, we're going to look at a situation and write an equation for it, and then solve that equation. Let's say that a frog started at this point, jumped once, some amount that we don't know, so we'll label that with x, and then jumped 10 inches. Now we measured from the beginning to his ending point and found that that was 32 inches long. These are two separate measurements, both starting from the same place and ending at the same place. So we could see this, since these measurements are equal, as 32 is equal to x plus 10. Now, this would be an equation that matches this situation. What I could do is, if I took away the 10 from this side and took away 10 from this side, it would be the same as taking away 10 from both of these lines. This would make it so I have, if I take away 10 from 32, I would have 22. If I take away 10 from here, I'd have nothing. It leaves me with 22 is equal to x. Therefore, x must be 22. Let's try another example. Let's say a frog did 3 equal jumps of an unknown length, but we know they're equal. We were able to measure 2 of the jumps as 25 inches, but we know that there was one more jump. Now we could say this is equal to 25 plus y for this length. And that is the same length as 3 y's, or y plus y plus y. So, if I were to take away one y from both of these, it'd be the same thing as subtracting y from both of these. Therefore, we would have 25 is equal to, instead of having 3y, we'd be left with 2y, since 2 y's are equal to 25. Therefore, if we were to divide one side, this one, in half, we would be left with 1y. And if we were to divide this one in half, we would be left with 12 and a half. Therefore, 12 and a half is equal to y. So this section right here, y, must be 12 and a half. And we have solved an equation for this situation.